Things are changing fast in Michigan City, Indiana. On June 10th and 11th, 2021, we paid a visit in town to capture some street running before major changes started taking place. Chicago's South Shore and Northern Indiana Commuter Transportation District, commonly referred to as NICTD, ran freight and commuter trains down the middle of 11th Street, perhaps nearly a mile and a half in length, and made for quite an impressive sight. Let's check out some of the action starting at the very western part of street trackage on 11th Street. This freight will soon head down the middle of 10th Street. This is the eastern part of street running in town. The historic station on 11th Street has been closed since 1987, but NICTD still maintained a stop here. Instead of a single track going down the middle of the street, NICTD wants two tracks, one on each side of the road. Only a few months after our visit, this station was sadly demolished. However, the facade was saved and is going to be incorporated into the new $80 million mixed-use building that will occupy the site. From the same spot, another westbound NICTD approached the station. A lone SD38-2 headed westward after all the morning commuter trains have cleared. The crew on this train will switch a local yard at a nearby power plant. Let's watch a 5-car commuter train head west down the street. This is the Michigan city most rail fans will identify with. Perhaps a return visit will be in order when construction is finished. Thanks for looking back with us.